Got to get it, Papa. Well, here I am in the secret Looked At headquarters. And we have our fearless leader and our Looked At sign ready. And I'm all hungry. I've been working on the Looked At supercomputer. And I think I'm all done for a little while. So I can take a break for something to eat. And do I have a meal for you? You can watch this and try to do it yourself. So, I guess with all that, we'll head into the Looked At super secret test kitchen and cook. Okay, one of the things you're going to need for this exciting Looked At, Cooked At recipe is some bread. And there it is. It's 2 pieces of bread. That's how you make a sandwich, in case you didn't know. So, anyway, I got to get them off of here because that's not exactly where they need to be. They need to be in the toaster oven. So, hang on. And here we have our exciting toaster oven where we do toast. So, let's get this in there. Look that! And there we go. And I'll set it for toast bread. And away we go. And here's the main ingredient for this exciting recipe. Yes, there's three hot dogs that we're going to be working with. Look that! Look that! And you can arrange them in fun shapes and do exciting things like that. Look that! But that's not what we're here to do. We're here to do this. Okay, first I got my super secret, super sharp Looked At carving knife. And watch carefully. Be careful if you try to do this at home, because you're going to hurt yourself most likely, which, you know, whatever. But let me get this right here. And we're going to slice these the long way, like that. Look that. Okay, now that we did that, we're not finished. We're not finished yet. You gotta slice it again. Okay, now, oh, look that. Now we're gonna keep going. This is pretty easy, really. There, we got one. Now we'll get this one over here. Like that. And we'll flip them. It's easier to cut them when you do that. Uh-oh. It was moving. Uh-oh, that one didn't cut too straight. There we go. Okay, we got some more. Now, one more. Look that. That's some precision there. That's what that's called, I think. And that's pretty much it. There you go. Now our job here is done. See you next time on Look That. Oh wait, we're not finished yet. Okay, sorry about that. And now on the Look That super stove, you can see we have a giant pot full of water and we're boiling it. So we have to wait for it to boil because it's not boiling yet. But it's almost there. Almost there. Almost. Not there yet. Okay, get ready. Because look, that super stove is boiling some water. And here comes our main ingredient. Look that. Uh-oh. Splash-o! And there they go. Luckily, I have my Look Dat super grabbers, so I can move them around in there. Pretty good. Look like a bunch of flatworms, but that's okay. They're gonna taste better than flatworms. Look that. And we're gonna boil them until they're finished. That's the precise directions for you. Oh, and look that. Ooh, they're getting all curly-cued. Look that. Now that's getting me hungry already. How hungry are you? Oh yeah, those hot dogs are barking now. Ooh, they all steamed up. Uh-oh. Yeah, look that. Gee, I've never seen a hot dog like that before. Me either. Okay, so I'll turn the fire off. And it's gonna calm down a little bit. And the recipe calls for them to rest. I don't know what that means. Okay, now they've been resting, so I'm gonna take my corn dog slingers, or whatever you, no, they're not corn dogs, the hot dog worms. And I'm gonna put them on this paper towel here so they can drain. You gotta let them drain. I don't know why, but that's what they tell me. So I'll make a big pile of them right there. Oh, look that. Oh man, that looks good enough to, I don't know. I'm going to be making use of one of my Patriot plates. This is actually the last Patriot plate in the Look Dat secret headquarters. So my supply lines have been disrupted. So I don't know if I can get any more with American flag on them at least. We'll see. And in the meantime, my toaster oven went off. And look that, that's some nice looking toast there. Oh, I don't need that. Okay. And I'm gonna throw them on the Patriot plate. And I'll close that back up. And look that, there's some good toast. Let's follow it. All right. Well, these have had time to drain a little bit. And my toast is finished. And I'm gonna open it up. And unfortunately, I don't have too many condiments. I'm gonna put some of this on there. This is some of that flat cheese. It's like flat cheese, and you can put it on there like that if you want to. You don't have to. So don't go to, and you don't put this part on. This is plastic. You can't eat that. In case you usually try. Okay. I'm gonna put a little mayonnaise on there. Just to give it something. Oh, look that. Oh, that's looking almost edible. And now the piece of resistance. Let's see. I'm gonna put it on this side. Move my my other bread. I'm gonna put some of these on there. I don't know how many to put. They don't give you a load limit on it, so let's go with that. And you see, I have some extra here for later. I can make super snacks with that later. And you press it on there and okay. There's crispy. Oh, and look that. Look that. Oh, man. Oh, that's looking good. And here I am. And with I still don't know what to call this thing. By the time I put this on the YouTube, I'll have a name for it. But I got my super napkin and everything ready. And it hasn't been moving any more than it was. It's like the worm sandwich, I guess. Wormwich, I don't know. But let's see how it goes. It fights back. I don't know if the cheese was such a good idea. Let me try another bite. Wow. This thing really packs a punch. Good thing I got a super napkin. Actually, that's pretty tasty. It's kind of like a hot dog, but not really. I guess if you wanted to get real fancy with it, you could put some chili sauce on it or something. But you gotta put something that the bread can handle. If you put something too wet, it's gonna soak through the bread and make a big mess. You know, and we're not about making messes on look that. Let's try another bite. It's much more tender in the middle. Look that. Let me do this. Wow. That was quite delicious, and it's super easy, isn't it? It wasn't for me, but that's okay. When you try it, I know it'll be super easy. So, when you're prepared, make sure you go watch the ingredients and stuff, because it's a pretty lengthy list. Figure out if you're gonna modify it any kind of way, and then, and only then, you can do it yourself. But remember, you're working in the kitchen, use caution, and so you don't burn yourself or chop yourself or boil yourself or, you know, whatever. Because that kind of stuff can happen in a super kitchen if you are qualified to use a super kitchen. In the meantime, I'll step back so we can see our fearless leader here. Oh, I forgot to do the salute. Oh, I'm all out. I hope it's okay. But here we go. The look that salute. Okay. And with that, we can say goodbye. And if you enjoyed this exciting recipe, who knows what the future holds. I don't know how many recipes involving hot dogs there are, but you never know. So, enjoy your exciting meal, and remember, if you really liked it, you can subscribe. You see? You can subscribe. You remember how? You see the little button? I think it's a different color. I don't think this is the right color anymore, but that's okay. You subscribe and you get ready and you 1, 2, 3, paya! And you subscribe. And then we can really see you next time on Luke Dat. On Luke Dat.